Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today I'm going to be talking about Mendeleev. Now, in 1869, a man named Mendeleev sorted out the periodic table. He wasn't the first person to do this, but his version was the most accurate at that particular time. So what he did was he arranged atoms. So he studied atoms, he studied their physical properties, which are things like melting point, boiling point, and density. And he also looked at chemical properties, so how these particular elements react to other things like water, acids, that kind of thing. And he grouped them up in a way that was logical to him and everyone else. And so what he essentially did was he came out with this kind of layout, okay? Now bear in mind, this was 1869 and they didn't discover everything yet. And what he did was he ordered everything according to atomic mass, or mass number as some of you might know it as, okay? But that's not where his genius is, because anyone could have done that. He just so happens to have done it. His genius was the fact that he saw that there were gaps in the periodic table. And what he did was he made predictions as to what the properties of the gaps would be. For example, he didn't discover gallium, but he predicted what the properties of gallium would be, that it would have a really low melting point and all sorts of other things. And he said it's going to be here in the periodic table. And he did this for a number of different elements. And years after he died, they actually found all of those elements, and his predictions about those chemical properties and those physical properties were correct. And that's why Mendeleev is regarded as a genius. Okay? I'll talk about Moseley in another time. He came along and he fixed all of Mendeleev's problems, which I'll talk about in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.